Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights. You do have your 4x4 dial integrated chili braking system, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel as well. We have keyed ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bose audio performance speakers throughout, single zone climate control as well as traction control, electronic locking front and rear differentials. You do have the heated leather seating, automatic shifter, wireless charging pad, all black interior to the Colorado here as well, and the ZR2 branded leather seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2, we have the 17-inch wheel and tire package ZR2 branded rims. We do have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles as well, color-matched mirror caps, Colorado on the front door. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we have the ZR2 branded grille and bumper, red tow hooks, skid plates as well. The ZR2 does come with the factory lift kit and the DSSV Multimatic suspension. Crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, ZR2 badging. Coming to the rear of the truck, you have your bumper cuts as well for the better departure ankles, trailer tow package, and a backup camera with your Colorado ZR2 branded tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, a leather 60/40 split, both end seats are car seat ready. A sliding rear window with defrost, solid roof in all the Colorados. We do have a dual USB ports as well as a 12-volt outlet. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.